This week's top stories.
Armed Forces Week 2022. The week beginning 21st of June is Armed Forces Week, an opportunity to celebrate those that endeavour to keep peace and security in the service, as well as the veterans. The Armed Forces Day flag is raised on buildings and famous landmarks around the country. Events in their honour are then held locally around the two particular commemorative days. Reserves Day is on Wednesday the 22nd of June this year, and Armed Forces Day itself is on Saturday the 25th of June. Maintenance in women's refuges, a call for female contractors. Stephanie Rampton, who owns a fire risk assessment company, is creating a database of female FM contractors to work on maintenance jobs in women's refuges. Many women who reside at the refuges feel uncomfortable around male contractors and will stay confined to their rooms during maintenance work. Stephanie discovered when maintenance is required to the facilities, those managing the building are often unaware that companies can provide women contractors. Lord Bichard's RICS review results published. Lord Bichard, in his independent review of RICS, recommends nothing less than a transformation of the institution carried out at pace. He found that the body had lost its focus on public interest and that the problems which arose in 2018 and 2019 regarding the findings of the Levitt Review damaged RICS' reputation and left many long-standing members and employees with a sense of betrayal.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.